Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a beautiful camping scene. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. So today we are making a camping fire. So we'll start the drawing first and then we'll use the poster colors to create a beautiful painting. Now before I start, I want to talk to you about a camping kitchen. If you all want your car to become a camping kitchen, you can just follow our channel Luck on the Trail and कैसे एक अपनी सिंपल कार को एक कैंपिंग कार में कन्वर्ट करना है, कैसे उसमें जिम, डाइनिंग एरिया, किचन क्रिएट करना है, यू कैन जस्ट डू दैट. कैसे हम बहुत ही इजी तरीके से अपनी नॉर्मल कार को एक कैंपिंग कार में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. आप खुद ही अपनी कैंपिंग किचन में खाना बनाना, स्टे करना, क्लोज टू नेचर, कितना सुंदर लगेगा. एक झरने के पास बैठ के अपनी किचन में मैगी बन रही है या कोई भी आपका चाय बन रही है, कॉफ़ी बन रही है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा. सो जस्ट आप खुद भी बना सकते हैं और कैसे बनाएं उसके लिए यू जस्ट हैव टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. आपको पता चलेगा उसमें कैसे हमने अपनी कार को कैंपिंग कार में कन्वर्ट किया है. So I'm just making a drawing of a camp, somebody enjoying a bonfire in the mountains. Sides में मैं एक बहुत ही beautiful, I'm making some trees in the background and the foreground. So I request you all to just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. और उसका लिंक आई विल बी गिविंग इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर सकते हैं फॉर द लिंक ऑफ दिस वीडियो जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. So very simple drawing is ready. Now we'll create a beautiful scene in it. So we require poster colors, brushes, water container, वो सब आपको पता ही है. Okay, the first thing is I'll start with the sky. Sky में I'm giving the shades of little bit of pink and violet. So I'm starting with little bit of light blue. मैं इन दोनों कलर्स को थोड़ा सा मर्ज कर रही हूँ एंड मिक्स कर रही हूँ. So you can choose the colors of your choice and be patient while coloring. Don't be in a hurry to mix the colors and merge the colors. Just enjoy the process. Play with the colors. I'm just mixing both the colors, that's it. Just to give it a very light pinkish and bluish effect to it. just few lines with a very lighter tone. I'm doing it to give the effect in the sky. Now for the moon, I will take the direct white color and I will just fill it with the direct white color. And I automatically got some shades of pink in it. I'll make some fire. So for the fire, we'll use some shades of yellow, white, a little bit of orange. So camping is so much fun. I know everybody wants to go for it, enjoy nature. So just give it a try, do create it, and in case you want to change your car into a camping car, you can do it yourself. It's not that difficult. Just check the link in the description box and do subscribe the channel. So I'm using the orange color here to give the little bit of effect of the fire, and I will also use a little bit of white color. In case you don't have an orange color, you can always give it with a red color. And now with the black color, I'll give the highlights and I'll create this full figure. So we'll use the black color. So wherever necessary, just add a pinch of water. In case you feel that the brush is not moving properly, just add a pinch of water to your color and the brush. Pinch means pinch. That does not mean you are adding a lot of water to it. Just don't do that. So I'm just leaving some space in between so that it should look like real bushes. I'm not filling everything dark. Now while using the black color, be very patient. Don't be in a hurry to do that. Otherwise you can spoil the whole painting. So while using the black color, be very, very patient. I think this white color mixed with little yellow. So this color I use first little here to highlight my fire. And then I'll give a highlighting on the face. And finally, I'll need a pinch of white color. So I'll highlight my fire a little bit over here with this white color. And I need this white color for my moon, a little bit more on my moon. So once everything is dry, what we'll do is we'll just remove the tapes and I'll show you how it will look. So this is how our camping scene is looking. I'll just give the link or in the description box for your camp to be converted into a camping car. Just go to the link and you can create it for yourself. Imagine these beautiful scenes. You are sitting over there in this beautiful scene. So this is how our beautiful camping scene is looking. Do give it a try. And of course, share it on our Insta and Facebook page. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.